Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Thanks for joining me, and on today's very short actually video. So today's purpose was to try and test out a new microphone and a new camera mount system for my helmet. For those of you who watch my other videos, you'll know that my camera mount failed on me out in North Wales a few weeks back, which was interesting, but thankfully I didn't damage the camera. So I've now got a chin mounted camera mount, and I've also replaced my microphone that I did have that wasn't working particularly well with one that was recommended to me by Lali, I think is how you pronounce her name on YouTube. Took a couple of weeks to get to me, this microphone did, because I had to order it directly from the US. But by all accounts, Lali says that this is the best microphone for motovlogging. Don't know if that's true or not, we're going to find out on this video. So I'm just taking the bike out for a very quick spin. As you can see, my petrol light's on. I am literally taking the bike out to go and get some motion lotion. And I figured that this is a good time to test the mount, test the microphone, see if it's all working, and hopefully, if it does work, maybe get myself out into the mountain roads on Sunday this week, weather dependent. Not that I'm a fair weather biker, but at the same time, I'm not keen on taking the bike out into the mountains when it's raining. The mount itself seems to be holding up particularly well. It's particularly stable. It's interesting that I can actually see the camera with it being chin mount. I can't see what it's pointing at or what it's recording, but I can actually see the top of the camera just over the chin guard, which is interesting.